Hello guys, in the previous video maybe you have noticed that these buttons are same and it is a little bit hard to move from one view to another view because we don't know what it is. We just have to select it and then we see it what it is, right? How we can make it easy, how we can change the icons. Today we are going to learn that, and now we know why this is important, to make the app attractive or to select the right thing with just one click. So let's go into our app details. Here we have all of those views and you see those icons here. First of all, let's click on this view, NS view. If I go down, click on display section, here you see all of the icons. Now I want to see all of the projects that are not started yet. For that I can use a symbol like this, a tick box without field, so that view has been changed. Similarly for all projects I can use, for example, a cube. Let's wait for the app. Okay, app is saved. Let's click on the project management app and let's change the name as well because it is all projects. So the name has been changed to all projects, and here again click on display section, click on this cube, or there are a lot of icons. You can find whatever you like according to your need and requirement. For now I am just selecting something simple. The view has been changed. Similarly for dashboard, I will go to display section again and let's search for something like chart. We have some charts here and let's use this one for the dashboard. Let's save the app and we will open the app again, and now we will see the user experience has been improved in the mobile app and in the desktop app as well. Here you see the new icons. If I click on the desktop, I will see the desktop version and it has been updated. Now you see the different icons.